It is so pretty out here because we had a good rain. I need to fill up my bird feeder. But that through there is the hollyhock. I've got my little trees over here. I hate having so many fences, but I have to, or the deer will eat everything. This is the little thing. Oh, can you see the frog moving?
Oh, he's trying to get away. I see now.
I'm gonna have to pour water through there to get rid of the mosquito larvae because we can't have those just standing. Anyway, that's what I did to collect the water that drips from the faucet. The birds absolutely love it out here. There's my Lady Banks, and the hummingbird feeder is under there. Oh, the little frog is here. The black thing on top is my new bubbler. Can you see him through there? He's sitting on the fountain. Hey, baby frog. So yes, that was in the dumpster, and I love that it has a ledge. And that plant is some sort of a milkweed. It's like a swamp milkweed. And I never used to think I would want mandevilla, but now I buy one every year. It's one of my favorites because that will be everywhere by the end of summer. Bees and the hummingbirds just love it. And I think these are Mexican sunflowers. And then cosmos. I've started planting snapdragons every year. That's my potatoes. That is a climbing aster. So that'll bloom at the end of the summer. My tomato plants are doing 0 this year. And you need some of this. This is Hot Lips salvia. That plant's about 4 or 5 years old. Oh, the frog has jumped up onto the little purple planter. That's his favorite place to sit. I think I want to do something really fun with the greenhouse. I don't know. I'm thinking about trying to turn it into an actual structure, but we shall see. There's my peach tree. I've got sweet peas over here. I've never planted those before, so I hope they'll be okay. More tomatoes. I have to cover things so the squirrels can't get them. I just planted those. That's chives. And then this is my little potting bench. This wood was in the dumpster, and it's the perfect fit. It looks like it was cut for this. That was one of the things at Dollar General. Isn't that cute? They were buy one, get one free. And look what I did with the branches that you gave me. The deer actually tore through what I had there, and they came in and ate a bunch of stuff. The birds love this. And I love it. I think it looks so cool. And I've got that. Love it when this blooms. Tick seed. I haven't seen my little spider in a while, but that's good. I read that that's a good sign. What all do I have? I've got some mustard. I planted some carrots, but I need to plant more. And then I've got some green beans here. I need to plant more green beans. So I hope the hollyhock will bloom. I know that color clashes, but I still like it. I know what this is called. I can't remember. Dahlia. I haven't had those in a while. So I'm excited. It's bloomed a lot. And then this is all sorts of beans, but I did the dumbest thing. I accidentally left my whole box of seeds outside, and they got wet. So I just dumped a bunch of them in there, and look what I ended up with. And then, I know this is kind of gaudy, but that was one of the dollar things. Still cute. Today I'm gonna go, I don't know, I don't think I'll get fish right away. I don't know what to do. I wanna go over to the garden center today and get a few more seeds because I think I have enough time to get a few things to grow before the season is completely over. And then over here, one more thing. I wish you could have seen this bloom. That is false indigo. That is one of the most beautiful plants. And look at the seed pods. And then that's Mexican petunia. It's been slow to come out. That's a red hot poker. There is the redbud tree you gave me in that pot right there. And then my yellow bell bush. I need to level that pot. And then there's mountain mint and some sort of grass. I think we do have a lot of frogs out here, honestly. All right. So that's my little play area.